Okay, so children, the trip to Bhopal lesson, in this trip to Bhopal lesson, the children has reached to Bhopal and they started boating. So far we have read this, that they started boating. They are going for boating. So let's read this. There are different kind of boats. Each boat has different ticket price and also different trip times. So you can see in this table, name of the boat is given. 4 boats are there. Ticket price are different of each boat ride. Then trip time is also different. First is double decker boat. Double decker boat, the picture of double decker boat you can see in your book. This is double decker boat. Okay, so पैडल बोट कौन सी बोट होती है जिसमें पैडल्स लगे होते हैं, पैरों से आपको पैडल्स को चलाना है और बोट मूव करती है आगे. देन मोटर बोट in the boat motor is attached to that and its speed is very high. Then boats with oars किस तरह के होते हैं? This is ओर्स. आपने देखा होगा लकड़ी के, जिसको आप हिंदी में चप्पू भी बोलते हो, जिससे बोट चलाई जाती है. ठीक है, जो सिंपल बोट होती है. ठीक है, दैट इज बोट्स विद ओर्स. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, so this table is given to you. This is double decker boat. So some of the children want to go for double decker boat, some of them want paddle boat, some of them want motor boat, so their choices are different. So see, one child is saying 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group, and these 2 children are saying we will take the motor boat, it is costly but fun. So their choices are different. Okay, now we have to solve the questions. Yes, first question. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. So they have traveled in 2 boats. Okay, now the question is, how much did they pay for both the boats? This we have to calculate. So see, motor boat, the price of motor boat ticket price is 25, and for oar boat it is 15 rupees. So how much they will pay? We have to calculate. First of all, there are 2 children. Okay, that means जब वो मोटर बोट में गए हैं 25 रुपीज़ प्राइस है, तो 2 टिकट ली उन्होंने, इंदिरा एंड भानु. So we will multiply by 2. Okay, then we get a price. Then they went on boats with oars. So 15 rupees is price, and 15 into 2 is equal to, we get price of trip price of motor boat, oar boat. ठीक है, so we have to calculate total amount of money. So this amount plus this amount we have to write here in this blank. Okay, then we got total amount. Then next question is, how much time did they get for both rides? So see, motor boat timing is 20 minutes and oar boat timing is 45 minutes. Then we have to add it, but we will get the answer. Next question. One group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? Okay, we know that a group of children has gone for the trip, but we don't know the number of children. एक group है but हमको number नहीं पता है. ठीक है, but we know that they paid 450 amount. Okay, so what is the timing of, what is the price of double decker trip? It's 30 rupees. Okay, so if we divide 450 by 30, then we get the number of children who went for the trip. Group कितना बड़ा था, कितने बच्चे थे, वो हमें पता लग जाएगा. So this you have to divide. Okay, then you get the answer. Then next question, which boat takes 2 trips in 1 hour? 1 hour में ऐसी कौन सी बोट है जो 1 hour में 2 trips लगा सकती है? ठीक है, 1 hour means how many minutes? Yes, 1 hour means 60 minutes. That means 30 plus 30 is equal to 60, right? So see here, this boat ride, पैडल बोट जो है वो 2 चक्कर लगा सकती है 1 hour में. ठीक है, 30 मिनट्स में एक राउंड लगा के आएगी, फिर 30 मिनट्स में एक और राउंड लगाएगी, एंड 30 plus 30 is 60 minutes, and 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay, then comes to next question. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour. Half an hour means how many minutes? Half an hour means 30 minutes. यानी 30 minutes में कौन सी ट्रिप, सॉरी लेस देन 30 मिनट्स में कौन सी बोट ट्रिप लगा रही है? तो लेस देन 30 मिनट्स में आप देख सकते हो इन चारों में से कौन है. इजी, यू कैन राइट इट ऑन योर ओन. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Okay, so कौन सी बोट है जो टाइम ज़्यादा ले रही है बट मनी कम ले रही है? तो हम देख लेते हैं 45 मिनट्स. यही 2 बोट्स हैं जो ज़्यादा टाइम ले रही है, बट इन दोनों बोट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा कम मनी कौन ले रही है बोट? इट्स ईजी, यू कैन राइट हियर the name of the boat. Then Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Okay, so Javed has gone twice for boating. 2 बार गया है और 40 रुपीज़ पे किए हैं उसने. सो लेट्स सी, अगर कौन सी बोट राइड्स हैं जिनका टोटल 40 हो रहा है. 2 बोट राइड, 30 plus 15 40 होता है क्या? 15 plus 25 40 होता है क्या? 25 plus 15 40 होता है, या 15 plus 30 40 होता है? तो इन 2 बोट राइड कौन सी हैं जिनका टोटल 40 आ रहा है? तो आप देख लो कौन सा बोट राइड है. अगर हम 15 plus 25 करेंगे तो इट कम्स आउट 40. And timing also match, 30 plus 20 50 minutes. That means these 2 boat rides Javed has took, okay, and pay 40 rupees. Next question, children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It's time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. जब वो लोग जा रहे थे भोपाल, तो they stopped after some time before reaching Bhopal, but now they are going back and they will not stop at all. In 2 hours they will reach Bhopal, in their school. So they should reach Hoshangabad. होशंगाबाद में है उनका स्कूल.